In this video, I am going to show you 8 safe built-in settings you can change right now to make your PC faster while removing background bloat and improving system responsiveness. If you like videos like this, then this is your go-to channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's get right into it. First, stop apps from stealing your CPU. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Click on the Startup Apps tab on the left. If an app or updater doesn't need to run 24/7, right-click it and hit Disable. This doesn't delete the program, it just stops it from launching automatically and dragging down your boot time. Next, let's cut off apps running hidden tasks in the background. Open Settings, Apps, then Installed Apps. Find an app you rarely use, click the 3 dots, and select Advanced Options. Scroll down to Background Apps Permissions and set it to Never. If the option isn't there, just skip it. We only care about killing the bloat that actually drains your resources. Now let's strip away heavy interface animations that drain system resources. Click Windows plus S to open the search bar, type Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows, and open it. Select Adjust for best performance. This disables heavy animations and visual shadows to free up system resources. Check the box right below it for smooth edges of screen fonts so your text doesn't look pixelated. It makes Windows feel snappier instantly. To keep that momentum going, we need to cut out unnecessary transparency. Go to Settings, Accessibility, then Visual Effects. Turn transparency effects off. It removes the heavy blur rendering across windows, saving tiny cycles of GPU and CPU overhead. It also improves battery life and speed slightly on older PCs or budget laptops. Stop letting useless pop-ups interrupt your workflow or game sessions. Head to Settings, System, then Notifications. Go down the list and completely toggle off apps that have no business pinging you. Fewer notifications mean less background processing and zero annoying interruptions. This effect helps you focus on work, saves screen space, and stops annoying chimes. Next, stop Windows from throttling your hardware to save power. Open the search bar and type Choose a Power Plan. Change your power mode directly to best performance if you want a recommended plan to balance both energy consumption and performance. If you prefer high performance to play video games, choose high performance mode. This will favors performance but use more energy. If you're on a laptop unplugged, this drains the battery faster. Use it on desktops or when plugged in for maximum speed. Time to clear out months of junk data piling up on your drive. Go to Settings, File System, Storage, then Temporary Files. Let Windows finish its scan. Check off safe categories like temporary files and previous Windows updates, then click Remove Files. Don't touch anything you don't recognize, just clean the obvious junk. This frees up valuable disk space, stops system lag, and fixes failed updates. Finally, if you want your games and heavy apps to stop lagging, do this. Go to Settings, System, then Display and Graphics. Select your game or app, click Options, and lock it to high performance. This forces your system to use your dedicated GPU instead of weak integrated graphics. That's it. 8 tweaks, 0 shady software, and full control over your PC. Restart your computer now to let the changes take effect. If you have any questions or want me to do a video about a problem you have, just comment down below and don't forget to subscribe.